Welcome to my AI marketing review. If you have heard about AI marketing and its partner ai.marketing network on social media platforms like Facebook or from a video on YouTube, and you are wondering if it is a legit platform to invest your money or just another scam site that will rip off your money, you are in the right place. Throughout this review about AI marketing and its partner ai.marketing network, I will delve deeper into the following points so that you can judge by yourself if this platform worth your money or not. What is AI marketing about? How does AI marketing work? How much it cost? How to make money with the AI marketing marketbot? The pros and cons, and my final point of view. What is AI marketing about? AI marketing is a cashback and online advertising platform that enable investors to make money through cashback from various companies. The company has been created on May 2, 2017, which operates in the artificial intelligence and internet marketing. As its name suggests, AI marketing combines marketing and artificial intelligence, and it makes you to invest in advertising and earn on average between 25% and 35% of your investment. The company works hand in hand with ai.marketing network and MLM company. So people who are interested to promote the company can build a career through it. But before you get excited, watch till the end to find out if this is what you are looking for. How does AI marketing work? You know, more and more tasks are being automated and artificial intelligence is gradually taking its place the recent years in our daily activities. All the big companies such as Google, Apple, Amazon, Alibaba, Airbnb, Booking.com, Skyscanner, Uber, have developed by taking advantage of the technology. In the same way, AI marketing positions itself on the same line as these big multinationals by digitalizing their marketing. AI marketing, therefore, does mass advertising through its marketbot, which generates sales for these companies and partners called aggregators. These companies pay commissions 1.5 to 15% for physical products and 15 to 60% for digital products in form of cashback to AI marketing as a reward for its marketing. To make it simple, here is how it works. AI marketing through its product analysis and promotion system does research and analysis on keywords related to the products and services of their partners or aggregators and makes the choice of keywords and trends that are gaining popularity at the regional level. Then, the products and services corresponding to these regionally popular keywords are selected, and the advertising marketing team orders ads according to the trends using advertising platforms such as Google AdWords, Yandex Direct, Facebook ads, etc. These ads will certainly attract customers. If these customers purchase a product or service, the cashback program operator informs AI marketing of the cashback via the API, and an accumulation with the status pending appears in your personal account. After the cashback program operator has confirmed a purchase, AI marketing receives its commission in the form of cashback and in turn rewards you for using your money for advertising. The percentage you will receive will be 55% of the cashback amount, while the platform keeps 45%. What I mean is that if the customer does not ask for a refund of the product or service purchased, you will still receive your 55% cashback. So it is simple. You deposit a budget starting from $10. The robot, MarketBot, analyzes the markets and selects the most trendy keywords related to the products and services of its partners. The AM advertising team makes the settings and launches your advertising campaigns. You get your commissions back once the sale's completed. You don't need to recruit or to refer people to earn here. Click on the button below to get a $50 bonus to start. How much do you need to get started with AI marketing? You can create your account for free. And once your account has been created, you will get $50 to start. Note that this amount must be deducted from your earnings when you get your commission. The minimum amount of money you can deposit is $10. The higher your amount, the higher your earnings. My advice is to invest at least $100. That will prevent your ads budget to dry out and help you reach out the minimum to cash out quickly. How to make money with AI marketing.
First off, know that AI marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme.
AI marketing rewards you through a cashback system from big companies. It also offers other ways to make money from the platform. Here you can make money from the cashback program, 25% to 35% on your investment. By referring your friends to the site, 5% on their investment. By completing simple tasks, very limited, and by getting cashback when shopping online or offline in certain stores. Now you know the ways you can make money with AI marketing. Let's move into the next section of my AI marketing review to find out how much you can expect from this program. How much can you make with AI marketing? Your earnings depend on your activities, since they offers up to 5 ways to make money. For example, if you refer a friend, you will be making a 5% commission on each deposit of your referrals. But if you don't want to promote it, here is how much you will be making if you invest $100 or $200. With $100 investment, after 3 months we end up with $246. After 6 months we are back with $605. After 12 months we end up with $3,664. With $200 investment. After 3 months we end up with $492. After 6 months we find ourselves with $1,210. After 12 months we end up with $7,328. Who is this platform for? Before we move on to the sign-up process, I want in this section of my I&B and AI marketing review to show you who this platform is for. Know that this platform is not for everyone. This platform is for investors. That means for people who are ready to invest their money for a profit. It is also for people who are shopping online and want to get cashback on their online purchases with big companies like Amazon. With AI marketing, when shopping online throughout their partners' stores, you will get a discount for each purchase you make. So if you are not shopping online and you are not an investor, this is not for you. Investors know that any investment involves risk. So if you are not ready to risk $10 or $100, you can keep your money in your bank account. I personally invested $100 in it, and it is working so far. But can I guarantee you will profit from it? Nope. Where I can guarantee you will succeed is in a business where you have control of your money. And this taking the entrepreneurship route, like starting a blog or an affiliate marketing business. With blogging or affiliate marketing, as long as you didn't give up, you will certainly make sustainable and passive income without the need of raising your hand. I don't say AI marketing is a scam or you will lose your money. What I am pointing out here is that it involves risk. There are people who are making thousands of dollars monthly from it, and I even profit from it. That being said, let's now get into the next section of my I&B review to find out how to get started if you are determined to plug in as I did. Is AI marketing a scam? The company is legally registered and they provide services to companies. Based on the way it stands, I can say it operate in a transparent way. The company actually walk its talk and pay users since 2019. But this is not enough for me to judge its legitimacy right now, as the company is new. The claims can be revealed different from reality as time goes. But as time goes, I will be updating this review to let you know what is going on with this company. If not, actually this is the best investment website to use. For example, with my $100 out of my pocket, here I am, already $100 plus in cash with $260 cashback to be activated if customers didn't request refund. Now, if you are convinced this is what you need, and are ready to sign up, follow this guide. First, click on the button below. You will get $50 as a bonus, must refund after you earn. Then, click on the icon I highlighted below if you want to take a full advantage of the program. Then click the register button and complete the sign-up form as below. Once that is done, you will get access to your AI's dashboard where you can fund your account and start earning. To get the $50, go to Top Up section, Gift Certificate, and paste the code below. Congratulations, the $50. Now, the robot will start after 48 hours. What is the payment methods available? The same payments used to fund your account are the same used to cash out your money. And here are the payments methods available. Credit card, Bitcoin, Apple Pay, Payer, Perfect Money, and more. Note that the minimum to cash out is $10. The pros and cons. What I like. Not a Ponzi scheme. The commission plan is reasonable. Possibility to make passive income on autopilot. You don't need to recruit to earn. Has a good rating Trustpilot score. What I don't like. The company is still young, only 2 years of operation so far. You need to invest at least $100 or more if you want to get an ROI quickly. INB and AI Marketing Review, my final thoughts. AI Marketing is a promising investment website where you can make passive income by investing your money in ads. But the company is new and will need to stand out of the storms. But it is up to you to decide. You have the choice to invest in this program. One thing is for sure, there is nothing for nothing. If you want to win, accept to take the risk. But measurable risks. My advice if you want to try any investment program is to invest an amount that you are willing to risk. I invested just $100, and I am happy for the return so far. That being said, I hope you found my AI marketing review helpful. If this is the case, don't hesitate to share it with your friend. Do you have a question or any experience to share? Let me know in the comments section. Be an action taker, sow your seed today. To your success.